1951 से लेकर अब तक हुए सभी चुनावों में हमारी माताओं, बहुओं और बेटियों ने चुनाव आयोग पर पूर्ण विश्वास जताते हुए अभी तक का सबसे अधिक मतदान किया है, 71%.
71.6%. That's the record-shattering turnout of women who stepped out with a purpose to rewrite their own destiny in the Bihar elections, and in the process, perhaps rewrote the fate of NDA candidates too. Polling day saw winding queues of women stretched across booths, often outnumbering men. Because this time, what resonated with Bihar's women was not just another election promise, but the possibility of empowerment.
पहले ही से सुमा रहे थे कि मुख्यमंत्री कब आगे आगे तो बढ़िए रहे थे, लेकिन हम लोग को लग रहा था कि कब बढ़ेंगे, कब फाइनल हो जाएगा। हम लोग खूब खुशी मना रहे थे। फाइनल हो ही गया, नीतीश कुमार जिंदाबाद कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
A promise that cut through the noise. In homes battling rising daily expenses, NDA's 10,000 scheme struck a chord, offering something transformative. Many women saw it as something that could really change their situation and probably emerged as a glimmer of hope for the female voters.
इस अवसर पर महिला रोजगार योजना के अंतर्गत 75 लाख से अधिक महिलाओं को 10,000 रुपये की सहायता राशि भेजने का शुभारंभ आज आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के कर कमलों के द्वारा किया जाना है।
The last moment Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana, which promised rupees 10,000 for eligible women, was a mega announcement just before the festive season, often drew huge criticism from the opposition, so much so that an official complaint was filed against NDA for violating the Model Code of Conduct, who often labeled it as bribe or gimmick to woo the voters just ahead of elections. On August 29, 2025, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar announced a scheme which probably yield the best results for him and the NDA, the Women's Employment Scheme. Under this, women in Bihar aged 18 to 60 will be provided financial assistance of up to rupees 2 lakh to start a business. The process began with an initial transfer of rupees 10,000 to women applicants. After that, their business plans will be reviewed. Only those found eligible will receive the remaining 2 lakh. On September 26, the first installment of rupees 10,000 each was deposited into the bank accounts of around 1 crore women. Beyond the direct benefit transfers that helped the NDA secure a decisive edge, Nitish Kumar held firmly onto his long-nurtured women voter base. His statewide alcohol ban, often attacked by the opposition as a massive revenue loss, continues to resonate with many women who view it as a shield against domestic violence. While the Mahagathbandhan left no chance attacking the NDA's 10,000 push, the opposition too pulled out all stops to quote women voters. Seeking to counter the Mahila Rozgar Yojana, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav pledged rupees 30,000 under the Mai Behan Maan Yojana if voted to power.
और 14 जनवरी मकर संक्रांति के दिन मां बहन मान योजना के तहत पूरे एक साल का 30,000 रुपया माताओं और बहनों के खाते में हम लोग डालने का काम करेंगे.
According to the manifesto released by the opposition, women were promised rupees 2,500 per month as financial assistance starting December 1 and rupees 30,000 per year for the next 5 years. The Mukhyamantri Balika Cycle Yojana, launched by Nitish Kumar in 2006 and widely hailed as a turning point in Bihar's women education, helped the JDU chief cement a strong female voter base. Now, the rupees 10,000 Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana raises the question, could this become another defining turning point for the NDA?